Hey, what's up, everyone? It's Patrick Langhans, Cross Country Mortgage. It's your weekly lending update. I want to talk about interest rates, what kind of reports and updates we have coming out next week that could impact them. Also, I want to talk about the housing market and the two very different markets we're kind of working in right now. And it's super important as a real estate agent or a lender to understand these markets and how to talk to your clients about the different markets that we're living in right now. So first off, next week we have CPI inflation coming out. That will tell us whether inflation went up or down last month, so in March, and year over year. We're not expecting a huge drop in inflation this week, so we'll see how it impacts rates. Now, going into the summer months, we are expecting inflation to really start to show signs of decreasing, which means we could see rates start to drop in the summer. The big news here is we're already seeing a lot of competitive offer situations, bidding wars, waiving appraisals, waiving loan availability, quick closings. So competition is out there. What happens when rates drop? So if rates drop 1%, how many more buyers qualify? How many more buyers are out there competing for the same homes? We still have an inventory shortage. So the point is, I would not be waiting for rates to drop before buying. I would probably buy now when there are still opportunities to get some deals, and then, if possible, refinance when the rates drop. All right, let's talk about the two different markets. Kind of touched on it a little bit, but basically we are seeing two very different situations when buyers are out there making offers on homes. We are seeing a seller's market where a home will be listed, it's in a nice area, it's updated, doesn't need much work, and priced right. And we are seeing multiple offers, over asking, waiving appraisal, 10-day closes. So it's very important that your buyers understand that this is one situation that we're running into out there and how to be prepared for it. My best recommendation is have them pre-approved. We have our 10-day close fast track loan program where we do a full credit, asset, and income underwrite up front. So when they go under contract, all we need is appraisal and title, and we can close them in 10 days or less. So if you have clients who are looking in those competitive situations, nice areas, they want a nice home, they want it move-in ready, if you know they're going to be competing, make sure we have them approved on our fast track program so you can make a 10-day close offer and compete against cash and all those other buyers who need 30-day closes. The other market I'm seeing is one where you can negotiate. We have 3 or 4 contracts right now, clients under contract with over $10,000 in seller concessions. Now, this is very important to understand because clients who need seller concessions to either get to a higher price point, to make their available cash work, they are going to need to make an offer on a property where they hold the cards, where they can negotiate. So clients who need these seller concessions for buy downs, closing costs, etc., I'm telling them to look at homes that have been on the market for 2 weeks or more. Wednesday is a great day to look. If something makes it through the weekend without going under contract, that's a great opportunity to negotiate. But I have clients right now getting $10,000, $20,000 even from the seller to cover their closing costs, buy down their interest rate, and it's also been helping them qualify for a higher price point. So make sure your clients understand that, hey, if you need these concessions, we may have to see if a property makes it through the weekend before we really go after it strong. And anything that's been on the market for over a week or 2 is a great opportunity to go in there and negotiate. So make sure your clients understand based on their needs. If they're going to be competing, let's get them approved for a 10-day close. If they need concessions, let's show them and point out properties where they can get a great deal. Call me if you have questions. I'd love to run numbers for any clients you have, and have a great Easter weekend. Thanks.